Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Chimex here again, and on today's episode guys, I'll be bringing you a non-furnished apartment complex. I know this is totally different from what I usually do. What I usually bring to you guys is furnished apartment, but this right here, this is to make things very easy for those who are looking for accommodation in Douala and are willing to buy their own furniture. So I was contacted to do a tour of Maserati Suite, and I must say when I heard the price 750k a month, I was in shock. Like, damn, 750k a month, this better be worth it. So I visited the place and I saw what they offer, from swimming pool to 24-hour security to washing machine, and the neighborhood is good and calm neighborhood and just a walking distance from the road, and the roads are not bad at all. So yeah, this is Maserati Suites for you, and for me it costs 750k a month, and you have to pay 11 months plus 1 month caution, a total of 9 million francs. I know it might sound like a lot, but I've seen accommodations in Bonaprezo, Bonanjo, which are way lesser than this, but charges way more than this. So this is Maserati Suites for us. Let the price not scare you. Let the price not scare you, guys. If you're interested in this suite, I've made everything so easy for you. You can get in contact with me using the email below. Just send me an email and I'll reply immediately and we can work something out. Don't be scared about the price. We can definitely work something out. Just don't be scared. If you love this place, come and I will treat you right. So yeah, without much talking, let's dive into the video and see what Maserati Suites has to offer. Maserati Suite is an ultra-modern, smart, luxurious apartment complex located at Serenity Street, Logpom, Douala. It consists of 4 units of 2 bedrooms each and 2 balconies and 2 toilets. Maserati Suites offers you a high-level security with security cameras located all around the building, giving you a 360 footage of the entire complex all the time. It has an 8-car parking garage, meaning 2 cars per apartment. So if it comes to parking, you have absolutely no problem with that. And also a wide pool where you can have your family barbecue and have a bonding time with the kids. There is enough playing ground, enough for movements, enough for reunions, enough for parties, and you can utilize this space as much as you want. Please do not forget to hit the like button. I'm begging, just hit the like button if you're enjoying the video so far. Thank you. Maserati Suite is a semi-furnished apartment, meaning you have everything essential for an apartment inside, from air condition to canal sets, and the wall paintings are magnific. If you choose this apartment, you can choose whatever wall painting you want to be put on your walls, for there are many options to be chosen from. Coupled with this, they also have a water heater, meaning you have the luxury of bathing hot water every single day. Here we have the kitchen with enough cabins and enough room for ventilation as well. There's a door leading to the balcony and a very big window to let out hot air. Alright guys, let's talk down in the comment section. What do you love the most about Maserati Suite, and what don't you love about the suite? What recommendations are you suggesting about this place? Just hit your comments down below. Every apartment comes with a balançoire on the balcony, where you can go chill, have a cup of coffee in the afternoon or morning while having a view of the magnificent city of Douala. Check this view out, guys. Maserati Suite provides you a green compound avec un jardin multi-espèces avec pierre blanche de Calcutta, Istanbul. Just check out this garden, guys. Wouldn't you want your kids to grow in such a green environment? So guys, we've come to the end of this tour. You can check out all the details in the description box down below. Hope you didn't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. Tell me what you think about this apartment, guys. See you on the next one. And I'm out. This is your boy, Chimex.